Ang dami na palang bahay dito. Ayan, no? Nakita nyo na, no? This is the Bel Air East. Isa na lang available dito, no? Kita natin sa mapa. Isa lang yung kulay orange. So, this is a morning sun sa Reeves Street. 1, 2, 3, 4, pang-apat. So, kaliwa tayo dito. 1,
Ano? This one.
2, 3, 4. I think nakita ko na. Ayun, oh.
This one. Ah.
No, ayun, oh. Isa. Okay, so, okay. Bababa tayo. Alright. Lot area ay 126, pang-apat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, this is the house. Block 55, lot number 10. Lot area, 126 square meters. Orientation, facing the morning sun. Ang kulay natin, ang ganda. Yeah, very modern. So you have a carport over here. Pwedeng lagyan ng trellis. So kasya siya ng dalawang sasakyan. Then sa likod ay may 2 meters setback intended for future improvements. So tingnan natin. So sana mabuksan natin yung loob para makita ninyo. Available through bank financing. Yung price natin nasa description below. So 80,000 reservation fee. Alright, and right now, sarado siya. Pero may ginagawa, kulay lang naman po ang pinagkaiba. Neto, yung mga ongoing construction. So this is a New York model house. Alright, so pasok tayo. Tingnan natin. So basically, ganito yung bahay. Right, so pagpasok mo, you have your porch. This is the living area. Meron ka ditong bedroom sa baba, ang luwag. Then you have your straight counter and a storage dito sa side na to. So maganda dito because you have a bedroom on the ground floor, which is this one. Alright, so magkano ba ang ating move-in fee? So wala tayong move-in fee dito sa loob ng Anyana Altansa. So dito sa baba, you have a bathroom, maluwag ang bathroom. Okay, very spacious bathroom. So you have your shower, water closet, and a wash area. Then sa likod, you have a 2 meters setback. Ganito yung pagitan, no? Sa bawat bahay natin dito, mayroon ka ditong 2 meters setback. So from that side hanggang dito sa side na to, you have your 2 meters setback. So pwedeng maglagay ng bubong, no, once na turn over na yung property or once you are in the possession of the property na tingnan natin sa itaas. So this is the New York model. So bukod dito, we have Paris, Tokyo, Nevada, Florida, and California model house. Ang ganda ng ating handles and railings. So this is the landing area. So sa side na to, you have a bathroom. Common bathroom. So wala tayong drywall, lahat ay permanent wall, no cement. So we have shower, water closet, and a wash area. Dito sa side ito, second bedroom. So you have multiple window and then naka-vinyl tiles. So location natin, Sanha Mayor, Tansa, Cavite, napakalapit lang going to Metro Manila. So a flood-free community plus mayroong world-class amenities. This is the master bedroom area. Okay, bakit may tubig dito? Siguro mayroong nag-leak, no? Anyway, so yan ang maganda kapag nakikita natin, no? Because meron tong refurbish. So this is the master bedroom area. Then right here, you have a shower. Anyway, no, si developer, meron tayong 1-year warranty sa lahat ng ating mga workmanship. And structural. Then this is the front balcony. Ayan. So ayan, no, ganito kaganda ang ating community. So this is a morning sun. So ganyan siya. Ginagawa yung bahay natin. 320 working days kapag ito pong New York model house. 270 working days kapag Tokyo model house. And 360 working days kapag California, Paris model house. But right now, mayroon tayo ready for occupancy. Yes, 15% down payment. Then we will process your bank financing. So kami na mismo mag-process ng inyo pong loan. Pwede natin ipasok sa China Bank, BDO, AUB, RCBC, or Bank of Choice. Balik tayo sa harapan para makita natin yung mukha ng bahay. Let's go. Right. So, from here, so malapad yung kalsada natin. You have your garden sa harapan. This is the facade. So, modern design. Then you have your carport. Kasya, dalawang sasakyan. This is a single attached property. And ang ganda ng orientation ng ating isang available dito sa Bel Air East dahil morning sun. RFO unit. Thank you so much at kita-kita tayo dito sa Anyana Andaltan sa Message Us today. God bless everyone.